Hi everyone. In this series, we will explore the life stories of famous people from around the world, such as Queen Elizabeth II, Albert Einstein, Nelson Mandela, Michael Jackson, and so on. You can learn about their life stories in just a few minutes while also improving your English listening and reading skills. Let's dive into the Learn English Through Stories series now. Will Smith. Early life. Will Smith, born Willard Carroll Smith Jr. on September 25, 1968, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, is one of the most famous names in entertainment. His rise from a middle-class background to a Hollywood superstar is filled with impressive achievements in both music and acting. Growing up in a family where his mother, Caroline, worked for the school board and his father, Willard C. Smith, owned a refrigeration company. Smith attended Our Lady of Lourdes Catholic School and later Overbrook High School. Known for his charm and quick wit, he earned the nickname Prince. He started rapping at age 12, inspired by artists like Grandmaster Flash. His unique style mixed humor with music, setting the stage for his future career. Music career. At 16, Will teamed up with Jeff Townes to form DJ Jazzy Jeff and the Fresh Prince. They made music that avoided the harsh themes of gangsta rap, appealing to a wider audience with fun, clean lyrics. Their first hit, Girls Ain't Nothing But Trouble, came out in 1986. This was followed by their 1987 album, Rock the House, which reached the Billboard Top 200 and made Smith a millionaire by 18. They won the first ever Grammy Award for Best Rap Performance in 1989 for their album He's the DJ, I'm the Rapper. Transition to acting. In 1990, Smith moved into acting with the sitcom The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, which was inspired by his own life. The show ran for 6 successful seasons and highlighted his comedic talent, charm, and relatability, further establishing him as a star. During this time, Smith continued to release music, with hits like Summertime becoming popular in the 1990s. Major film successes. After The Fresh Prince, Smith made a big impact in Hollywood, starting with small roles in films like Where the Day Takes You, 1992, and a praised performance in 6 Degrees of Separation, 1993. His breakout role came with the action comedy Bad Boys, 1995, where he teamed up with Martin Lawrence. This film was a huge success, leading to even more blockbuster hits, including the sci-fi classic Independence Day, 1996, which confirmed his status as a leading man. Throughout the late 1990s and early 2000s, Smith starred in many successful films. These include Men in Black, 1997, Hitch, 2005, and the touching drama The Pursuit of Happiness, 2006. Personal life and philosophy. In his personal life, Smith was married to Sherry Zampino in 1992, but they divorced 3 years later. They have one son, Trey. In 1997, he married actress Jada Pinkett Smith, and they have 2 children, Jaden, born in 1998, and Willow, born in 2000. The Smith family is known for their close relationships and often works together in various projects. Smith's outlook on life is full of positivity and a strong work ethic. He often shares motivational thoughts, stressing the importance of believing in oneself and hard work. His charitable efforts and support for political causes, including Barack Obama's campaigns, show his commitment to making a positive difference. With a career spanning over 3 decades, Will Smith has become a cultural icon. His ability to move from music to television to film, along with his infectious personality, has made him beloved by audiences around the world. Today, he continues to play a significant role in entertainment, inspiring many through his work and life philosophy.
Congratulations on finishing this section. To improve your English, it is crucial to persistently practice. Finally, we would be most grateful if you could kindly subscribe, like, and share our channel in order to remain well informed and up to date.